Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete unnecessary junk files and registry cleaner from your PC using a third-party app named HiBit Uninstaller. So at first we need to go on a browser and then type HiBit Uninstaller download. The first URL comes up and we need to go there. We will be download installable version, so press there and select download. If anything comes like this, just press download unverified files. Download complete. Now time to install. Okay, some terms and conditions, next. Default location C, yes, next. Yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut, so I'll hit next. Install. Installation finished. After we will see a icon like that, enter. In this interface we need nothing to do here. We will just normally go to tools, registry cleaner, select all the section, and if we select and tick auto scan after start, it will scanning start automatically after you come to HiBit. So I'm pressing a tick on it, scan. It's identifying the registry cleaning. Scanning completed. Now we press clean and all done. Okay, next we will go junk file cleaner, select all, clean. Okay, and one thing to mention, I have also selected the browser and yes, all the browser here. No need to worry, your account information or any useful information will not be deleted. It will just erase some unnecessary junk files. Then we close the interface and next go to empty folder cleaner. Select all the segment, scan, then delete, then hit close. So that's the HiBit Uninstaller part. I am summarizing. We just need to go to tools, then registry cleaner, junk file cleaner, and empty folder cleaner. I am gonna also show you how to delete unnecessary files with built-in Windows feature. For this we need to press Windows button and R together, then a command prompt like this comes up and we just hit temp. It will come all the temporary files been created in your PC. I previously deleted a while ago, so not much more files in my end, and you usually need to Ctrl A to select all, then delete. Okay. Secondly, we also need to Windows plus R %temp %. Okay, Ctrl A, delete, enter. Some files will not be deleted because it is administrative. Cut. Again Windows R, Windows button plus R, then prefetch. I have deleted already, so nothing here, but you will find many files there to delete. just do it. And finally, to delete all the things, we need to press Windows button and R one more time, and then cleanmgr, cleanmgr, hit enter. Okay, I have deleted early, so no many files here, but you'll find 1 or 2 GB or less or more, doesn't matter. Just click OK and delete files. It will delete all the unnecessary files from your C drive. Completed. So that's the topic I have for today. Thanks for being with me. See you in the next one. Thank you.